Hi Aradhana,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I'm decorating my kite.
Happy Sankranti.
Happy Sankranti to you too.
Thank you. Had your lunch?
Yes,
What did you have?
I had Kara Pongal and Sweet Pongal,
Huh.
which is called as uh, Huggi in Kannada.
Okay. Tell me the recipe of this Kara Pongal and Sweet Pongal.
Sweet Pongal is made up of rice
Hmm.
and ghee and jaggery.
Hmm.
And Kara Pongal is made up of rice, ginger, black pepper,
Hmm.
and two chilies.
Hmm. We can add jeera powder also, right?
Yes.
Ah. Okay. Hey, you know so many things about this Sankranti. Tell me the main reason of this festival. What is the uh,
Uh, Main reason of
for the
this,
celebration? Yeah.
reason of this festival
No, what is it called? The Sankranti is actually
means
uh,
harvest
uh,
of this festival.
harvest of crop.
Yes.
Huh.
Farmers sow some seeds in their farm,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
when it grows, they
Hmm.
cut
During what time they sow the seeds?
during
Hmm.
during October, November, December, or you can tell winter.
Hmm.
And
They sow seeds on all these 3 months, October, November, December, or they sow the seeds in October and it takes time to grow into plant. How is it?
yes,
What is?
they sow some seeds in October,
Hmm.
and
Or during winter season?
yes,
Huh.
and it
They
will,
grow into?
proper plants.
Huh.
And the farmers cut the plants and they put them in front of their house
Hmm.
and make puja to the crops.
Okay, so when they gather and put in front of their house, that is called?
That is called harvest.
Okay. Thank you.
This is not just a harvest festival. This is also dedicated to Lord Sun. All these days, the sun was moving to south. Now the sun started to move to north. So north means Uttara, and travel means
Movement.
movement means Ayana. So Uttarayana.
So Sankranti?
So some people tell Sankranti is also called as Uttarayana.
But sun doesn't move, right? It's earth which rotates around the sun.
Yes, I'll explain. Imagine this is the sun and this is the earth. Actually, the earth will not be spherical shape, it will slightly be oval shape. This is the north and this is the south. I have written N.
Okay.
So all these days, the north was not facing the sun. It was not getting sufficient sunlight, heat.
Okay. So it was all these days?
All these days it was winter. Days were shorter and nights were longer. Now, when the earth was rotating, slowly north was facing the sun.
Okay. Huh. Now it started getting.
Now it started getting enough of sunlight, heat,
Marking end of.
end marking end of summer.
Lower your hand. Enough. Okay. Marking
Marking
end of
end of winter and
beginning.
beginning of summer and spring.
And what about days, light? Days, night.
Now days are longer, nights are shorter.
Okay, so how is it related to Uttarayana? Explain that. Earlier it was away from the sun. The rays were falling to.
Early Dakshinayana,
So rays were falling to the south.
south.
Now the position is shifted to.
North. So for north we will tell Uttarayana.
Wow, Aradhana, you have decorated your house so nicely. What is it? The swing, these kites.
During this Sankranti, winter fades away and spring comes. It will be a cool breeze in the evening. Some people likes to play swing, and some people likes to fly kites. This my teacher taught me, and this me and my mother did with the newspaper.
This has come very nice.
Thank you.
What are these things?
These
This sugar cane. Tell me about sugar cane. What is it?
farmers harvested sugar canes and pulses, grains.
Okay. They harvest either sugar cane or rice, wheat, like that. Okay.
Yes.
And what is there in this pot?
The Kara Pongal.
And what is that? Behind you?
This one. You can think it as fire.
What is it?
Bonfire.
Okay.
Or you can put this pot here and cook it, but not inside our home, outside our home.
Why it can't be bonfire? Why should I think it as bonfire?
You can
It can be bonfire, or else you can also cook pongal. But bonfire should be in cone shape.
yes, cone shape. I didn't have so much sticks. Only 4 sticks were there. So
You did only so much.
Yes.
What is this?
This is yellow bella. In Kannada we will say yellow beerodu. Means we will eat this and we will exchange it with our neighbors.
Okay. What and all is there in this yellow bella?
There are so many things. I'll tell useful things. This you can see small
Yes, I can see. What is that?
Yellow.
Okay. Fine. Yellow, I got it. Yes. Next.
And this jaggery
Bella.
bella.
Hmm.
And this groundnut
Okay.
kadle
Huh.
kai.
Huh.
And
Kadle bija.
kadle bija. And this dry coconut.
Kobri.
We will take kobri.
These 4 are important, is it? Why?
One, it will give lots of oilness to our body and warm.
So oil and warm to our body.
Yes.
That is important in this
In this yellow bella.
in this winter season.
In this winter season.
Okay. What do you say when you give yellow bella?
We say yellow bella ತಿಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
This is our
Our India map.
And Makara Sankranti is celebrated across India.
India.
Where is Karnataka?
Here.
What do we Kannadigas call this Makara Sankranti as?
ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಹಬ್ಬ.
Next, Tamil Nadu. What do they call?
ಪೊಂಗಲ್.
And this one is?
ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ.
What do they call?
ಭೋಗಿ, ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ.
What is the difference, Bhogi and Makara Sankranti?
Bhogi is celebrated
One day.
One day before
Before?
Makara Sankranti.
Okay. And there is one more, Kerala, right? They have Shabrimala temple. They have Lord Ayyappa Swami temple. And during this day, during this Makara Sankranti day, there is a Makara Jyoti, that is a celestial star that appears in the sky. That means Lord Ayyappa Swami comes and he is blessing, he is giving his blessings to his devotees. Devotees in the sense, people who go to temple. Bhaktadigalu. Devotees, all right. And next, see, this is Punjab. Where is Haryana?
Haryana.
No, this is Haryana.
Yes.
Okay, so in Punjab and Haryana, it is called as Lohri. What do they do? Bonfire. You saw, no, in that cartoon.
Yes.
What do they throw?
Popcorns.
They throw?
Popcorns and peanuts.
Few people also throw old things, old items. All right. And next we have Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, see, such a big state, right? Maharashtra people, they call it as Maghi Sankranti. And just like Yellow Bella Tindu Olle Matadi, what we have in Kannada, even they have Til Good Gya Ani God Bola. I might be wrong. That's actually in Marathi. Til Good Gya Ani God Bola Mane, accept these sweets and utter sweet words. And you see, this is Gujarat. Okay. In Gujarat, they fly kites during this, and they call it as Uttarayana. What you explained just now, Uttarayana. For Makara Sankranti, Gujarati people call it as Uttarayana. And we have Assam. Let's come to this east. We have covered north, south, west. Now let's come east. This is Assam. See here, ASSAM, Assam. Can you see that? In Assam, they call it as Magh Bihu. So one festival with different names, and they have their own ways to celebrate, and they have their own cultural and also, what do you say, traditional spiritual beliefs. So amazing, right?
Wow.
There are many other names. I don't know. I have just covered these many. That's it. Thank you, Aradhana. Even you have covered so many information. Even you gave. And there's one more. Why it is called Makara Sankranti? Because the sun is entering the.
Makara Rashi.
Very good. And there is one more interesting fact. This always falls on 14th and 15th of January. This why? Because they follow solar calendar. Usually the solar calendar dates doesn't vary. So Makara Sankranti usually comes during 14th and 15th. You'll give more information about this next year, right?
Yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Now take your kite and go and fly it.
If you're flying kites out, please wear your mask. Makara Sankranti. Bantu Makara Sankranti. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರೋಣ ಮನೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣ ಭೂತಾಯಿಗೆ
ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಬಳಿದು ಸುಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣ.
ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ 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 ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ